Hello, in this video we're going to discuss a radioactive puzzle. Why are some substances radioactive? Actually, every atom has a nucleus made up of protons and neutrons. And the electrons move about in energy levels or shells surrounding the nucleus, as predicted by the Bohr's model. Most atoms each have a stable nucleus that doesn't change. But the atoms of a radioactive substance each have a nucleus that is unstable. So the difference between the normal substances and the radioactive substance is that for the normal substance, the nucleus of the atom is stable. However, for a radioactive substance, the nucleus is unstable. This unstable nucleus becomes stable or less unstable by emitting alpha, beta, or gamma radiation. The unstable nucleus is described as decaying when it emits radiation. No one can tell exactly when an unstable nucleus will decay. It's a random event that happens without anything being done to the nucleus. That's all. Thanks for watching.